Ohayo gozaimasu, kapangit. Alam nyo ba? You know what, kapangit? I just look at the ex-host outside and then I saw this. Oh, it's so cute. I did not put it here. It's just normally live here, grow here. So cute. I'm amazed. I did not grow it here. It's normally here. It's Hana and it's yellow color. Kiiro. Kawaii. Hora, mite. Ah, kawaii. Wow, it's so nice. It's normal here. Hana is flower. I think this is or leaves. This is her leaves. Ha. ねえ、すごい。